Good day everyone. Today I will discuss to you the parts and functions of vehicle. First is the engine.
Engine is a machine for converting any of various forms of energy into mechanical force and motion.
And the second is battery.
The purpose of battery is to provide power for starting your vehicle.
Air cleaner.
Air cleaner. The air cleaner filters out dirt, debris, and other particles that could harm the engine.
Brake fluid.
Brake fluid is a hydraulic corrosion-resistant substance that converts pedal force into stopping pressure in a vehicle brake system.
Horn.
Horn. The purpose of a car horn is to alert other drivers and pedestrians of your presence or to warn them of potential dangers.
Regulator.
Regulator regulates alternators voltage output in vehicle's charging system. It is responsible for powering and charging the vehicle's electrical system.
Radiator.
A radiator is the key components of the engine's cooling system. Its main role is to dispose and mix of antifreeze and water throughout its fins, which release some of the engine's heat while taking it cool air before continuing to pass the rest of the engine.
Bumper.
The purpose of bumpers is to reduce or prevent physical damage to the front and rear of vehicles in low-speed crashes.
Front light.
Front light allow drivers to see the road in the dark and make themselves visible to other motorists.
Signal light.
Signal light demonstrates deceleration and a change in direction of the vehicle and make the vehicle more visible to other road users when it is dark or during poor visibility.
Side mirror.
Side mirror helping the driver see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle outside the driver's peripheral vision.
The wheel.
Wheels serve the function of translating an engine power into motion.
Wiper.
Wiper. The wiper serves to clean the windshield of the car at the front and rear.
Windshield.
Windshield protect the drivers and others in the vehicles from debris such as stones, dust, and insects.
Tail light.
Taillights provide signals to other drivers whether when braking, turning, or changing lanes.
Front seat.
Front seat sit at the front of vehicle, especially the one next to the driver.
Seat belt.
Seatbelts are primarily employed to protect passengers from injuries in case of an accident.
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels.
Clutch.
The clutch connects and disconnects the power from your engine to your wheels via the gearbox.
Transmission.
Transmission to transfer the power from the engine to the drive shaft and the differential to let the wheels turn.
The brake.
The braking system is the most important safety system in a vehicle and helps bring the vehicle to a complete stop.
And the accelerator.
The accelerator in a vehicle is the pedal that controls the flow of the gasoline to the engine, which you press with your foot in order to make the vehicle go faster.